Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2015 on a 15 plate Volvo V40. It's the 1.6 diesel D2 model, SE spec, 5 doors, finished in bright silver metallic, and it's covered 63,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk round. 2 owners from new, last owner since 2018. The car comes with a comprehensive 8-stamp service history right the way through its life. That also includes a stamp for Cambelt replacement, which was carried out in March of this year. So bang up to speed on the service history. The last service was carried out along with the MOT just a few weeks ago. So 5-door V40 D2 model, so that's the 113 brake horsepower, 1.6 turbo diesel engine, 6-speed manual gearbox. Really good on emissions. So there's no road tax to pay, it's free road tax. Alloy wheels in pretty much perfect condition. Good spacious alternative to a Golf or a Focus. We're big Volvo fans here. We like to buy them, we like to sell them. My brother's actually got one as his own personal car, so we do rate them pretty highly. SE model, so quite a rare spec actually in these. Good level of equipment, which I'll run through you as we take a look inside. Bolsters are good, seats are nice. Door card the same. Really is a very clean example, this car. 4 electric windows, electrically adjustable door mirrors. And as we come inside, you've got a boot release. You can open it actually on the boot switch itself at the back. You do get automatic lights. Up towards the steering wheel we've got radio controls, and on the other side you've got controls for the cruise control, and it does also come with a speed limiter as well. So we'll have a look in. 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got a cubby hole there with 2 cup holders and a 12-volt socket. And you've also got an armrest here which has a USB port inside, some storage space, and also another 12-volt socket. So you get two 12-volt sockets in the front. There's the mileage, 63756. Push button start, so foot on the clutch and away she goes. It does come with 2 remote keys that you can see there. Up to the infotainment. It's DAB radio, so digital radio. You also get Bluetooth as well. And as we come down, you've got air conditioning controls, a button to switch the start-stop facility off, another button to switch the parking sensors off. It has rear parking sensors, and you do also get, you can just see, the added option of heated seats. So they did a winter pack which came with heated seats. There you go, so that's nice, especially coming into this time of year. Really nice layout, really straightforward, simple. You do get some space behind the center console with some even more storage, so it's quite clever. Just quite a nice place to sit, really. Obviously, being a Volvo, it's comfortable, it's very safe, so ideal for families. Into the back, and again, lovely throughout. You do get I'll just pop this down, you get a centre armrest in the rear, and you also get, if you pull this little toggle up, a couple of cup holders as well. So that's quite snazzy. Isofix, of course, for all the child seats, and you get 3 proper seat belts in the back as well, so you can comfortably sit 5. Carpet mats are present throughout, and a decent amount of headroom. Electric windows also in the rear. Round to the back, so like I say, you do get the parking sensors across the rear, and you do also get a surprisingly spacious boot. There we go, so really good size, comparable with your Focus, Civic, Golf. Split rear seats, parcel shelf present as well, and underneath we've got room for a space saver should you so wish, but presently you've got a compressor, locking wheel nut there, and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it, 2015 on a 15 plate Volvo V40 SE. It's the 1.6 turbo diesel D2, 5 doors, finished in silver, 63,000 miles from 2 owners with a comprehensive service history including Cambelt replacement this year. The car will come with an MOT until the 16th of September 2021. It was serviced at the same time, so bang up to speed. Does come with 2 remote keys, and will also come with our standard 6-month in-house Bowens warranty. Price of the car is £7,990, and finance is available from less than £36 a week, depending on deposits. And as I'm sure you're all aware by now, we are working on an appointment-only basis, both here in Ross and our new site, which is by the train station in Hereford, HR1 1EN. So if you would like to come view the car, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, Reg Number, specific technical specs, insurance groups, road tax costs, which is nothing, and all your other bits and bobs, please do have a look at the website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Thanks for watching.